Water softeners might seem like a lifesaver for your pipes, but they can actually mess with your septic system if you're not careful. So, here's the deal. When your water softener does its thing, it kicks out salt and other minerals that end up in your septic tank. This extra salt can be rough on the good bacteria that break down waste in your tank. To keep things chill, try using a water softener that's specifically designed to be septic safe, or look for systems that use potassium instead of sodium. Another tip is to adjust how often your softener regenerates, so it doesn't dump salt all the time. You can also space out laundry loads or water-heavy chores to avoid overwhelming the system in one go. Testing your septic water occasionally helps catch issues before they get out of hand, and hey, regular septic tank pumping is key. Don't skip it just because the softener is there. If you're unsure, chatting with a local septic pro or plumber who knows about water softeners can save you a headache. One of the biggest problems is salt buildup in the septic tank, which kills the helpful bacteria needed to digest waste. Fix this by switching to potassium-based softeners or cutting back on salt use. Another common mistake is overloading the system with water softener discharge all at once, which can flood the tank and drain field. Spreading out water use helps prevent this. Lastly, many folks don't test their septic system after installing a water softener. Missing early signs of damage, getting regular inspections keeps things running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who get what their septic system needs. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with real clients looking for their exact skills and services.